have private jets, as good as those things are, the reason for those things is for the fulfillment of purpose. I hope I tried to answer the question.
You have answered,
You
and
have
I'm just here
answered,
like
and I'm just here
I
like
think even the
I
question
think
I
even
have
the
in my
question
in
I
my
have
head,
in
you've
my
answered it.
head, you've answered it.
It's amazing
It's
how this
amazing
whole thing,
how
like
this whole thing,
how
like
purpose works,
how
because
purpose
you
works,
see a lot
because
of people
you
that
see a
tells
lot
you,
of people
"Oh
that
yeah, well
tell
I'm
you,
helping
oh yeah,
people,
but I'm helping
I'm
people.
sending people to
I'm
school,"
sending people
but
to
still
school.
that
But
inner
still, that
fulfillment
inner
that makes them feel
fulfillment that makes them feel
there's an echo. There's an
there's an
echo
echo.
really.
There's an echo, really. But I can hear
Um,
you clearly. Oh goodness.
can you mute
Can
yourself?
you mute
Let's see
yourself?
if I
Let's
speak
see.
it. Um, there's no more echo. Okay, so just keep you mute while I speak, and then when you want to speak, I will mute. Okay, so there are a lot of people who says like, as a massage therapist, you hear these things over and over again. This person is helping everybody go to school, like they are feeding their community, they are clothing people, but they don't find that inner peace that makes them feel like they are living a life of purpose. So they just say, "Oh, yeah, but I'm doing this." Um, can you unmute? Let's see if we can.
Is it better?
Uh,
Uh,
no, it's still
no,
echoing. Okay,
it's
I'll just
still
show the
going. Okay,
question
I'll
and
just show
then
the question
you
and
can
then
unmute and answer.
you can
Okay,
unmute.
so as a therapist, I kind of like met people who they tell me, "Oh yeah, Mercy, I am taking care of the needy. I help people. They do charity work, like they take care of other people except themselves, but they still don't have the peace. There's this peace that comes with when you're fulfilling your purpose. So they don't have that peace. They don't feel like they are doing what they are supposed to do. So that the taste is still there. They are still tasty. They still what is it I need to achieve? What is it that God wants me to do? So they still have that desire to want more. And that's also how I know, like, when I'm doing things that is outside my purpose, I kind of still not find that fulfillment. I still feel the hunger. I feel like I'm not doing the right thing. It can be right to everybody. Like this life can be right. Oh, what about if that is not what I'm called to do? What about if me being an actor or producer is not what I'm called to do? What about if it's not fulfilled? So I want you to like throw more light on that.
Can you hear me? Can
I
you hear
can
me?
hear you. I'll
I
just
can hear
mute
you. I'll
myself
just mute
so it does
myself
not
so
affect
it
you.
does not affect you. Okay. So that's a really important feedback, and it's true because purpose gives you a sense of. Can you hear me though? My seems like.
Yes, we can hear you.
Yes, we can hear you. Okay. Yes, purpose. One of the beautiful things is because God created us for a reason, right? The creation of God is
Take some, call them again. Okay, before he comes back, because all the time I hear this all the time that you be helping people, like it will feel like, oh, you might even have a foundation and you think that is what what your purpose are in life. But as far you still have that am I doing, you still feel empty because when you're really doing your okay,
Go ahead, please. Go ahead.
sorry.
Sorry? Go
No,
ahead,
no,
please.
continue. Like continue from where
No,
you
no,
stopped.
continue. Like continue from where you stopped. Okay.